let's talk about parallel lines. Are the following, well, first of all, parallel lines always have the same slope. So in order to be parallel and never cross, do you see how they would have to rise and run the same so that they would never run into each other? They would never cross. So because I know the slopes are the same, let's decide if these lines here are parallel to this one. So first of all, what's the slope of this line? Well, it's 2/3 because it's always the one attached to x. So what's the slope of this first line? Y equals mx plus b, the one attached to the x is the slope. Do you notice that the reason these aren't the same line is they have different y-intercepts, but they're parallel because they have the same slope. Then on the next one, this is endpoint slope form, therefore that is the slope. I don't have to rewrite it in slope-intercept form because I can find the slope right there. It's 2/3, it's the same, yes, they're parallel. The next one, I'm going to have to find the slope by using my slope formula, which I've used a lot, I should be really good at. -6 plus 8 over 5 minus 2. So that's 2 over 3. Are they parallel? Yes. Then, if you want to write the equation for a line parallel to the given equation, you have to find the slope. Remember, that's also called rate of change of the given line. And then plug into point slope form, slope intercept, somehow find the equation of the line the same ways that we did yesterday in 4.3. So write an equation of the line parallel to this. Well, first of all, I don't know the slope of this line because it's not in any form where I can find the slope. So let's rewrite it and find the slope. If I add the 2x, I get y equals 2x minus 4. Now it is in slope-intercept form. Here's my slope, 2. So I want to use this slope and this point. So I can use one of the ways I learned. Let's use the y equals mx plus b because I like it better and most of you did. Here's the y, -6. Here's the slope, the m, 2. Here's the x, 8, plus b. And then, let me change colors. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract the 16. What do we get? B is -22. So what's my equation? Y equals 2x, because it has the same slope, minus 22. Let's look at this next one. What's the slope of the line parallel to y equals 2? Y equals 2. It has 0 x's, so it's a horizontal line. Horizontal lines have 0 slope and only a y equals. So the slope of every horizontal line, every line parallel to this one, is also 0. Thus, x only is undefined slope and a vertical line. So every vertical line has an undefined slope. So this one is a vertical line, undefined slope, and every line parallel to it is. So let's skip down here. Find the equation of the line parallel to x equals 3. Okay, so it's going to be another vertical line, another x equals, and what's x? 7. Find the equation of a line parallel to y equals -7. So that's a horizontal line. So every horizontal line has 0 x's, 0 slope, passes through this point, y equals -5. So there's not much different than this. The only new thing we learned was that parallel lines have the same slope, and we can use that information to write